Hey my peeps, let's make some cute milk and hot cocoa ornaments with this cute tea set I got from Dollar Tree. So I painted the saucer and the cups red, and I stuffed them with a piece of pool noodle, and now I'm going to cover them with a piece of round um, foam board. I'm going to glue these onto the saucer, and you could use tacky glue or hot glue, it doesn't matter. I had already pre-made like a hole in the middle of the cup because that's where your ornament hook is going to go. So just get like a sharp tool and make that little hole in the center of your cup. So now I'm going to use a cotter pin, and I'm going to stick the pin in first because I'm going to use UV resin to fill in the little bit of the cup, and that's going to stay in place once the resin is hard. So you don't need a lot of resin. This is UV resin. You're going to need UV resin and a UV light. So I just added a drop of white alcohol inks into my UV resin, and the first one is going to be milk and cookies, milk and chocolate chip cookies. So I'm just put enough to fill up the cup as you see there. And real quick, I'm going to hit that with my UV light. So that is set. And now I made these cute tiny chocolate chip cookies with air dry foam clay, and I'm just gonna hot glue those on to the little saucer and just stack them on there. And these are gonna be like, you know, for Santa, hot milk and cookies for Santa. That's the first ornament. Okay, so we're gonna make a hot cocoa ornament for this one. So basically you're going to use UV resin again, and then you're going to put in a drop of brown. So I used that same cup that I had the white in, so you're going to add a drop of white even though I didn't add a drop of white here, and that's going to give you that hot cocoa color. Okay, so you're just going to pour that onto your saucer. Make sure you get every last bit of that out of there. And make sure you get rid of all the little air bubbles that might show up, okay? So then I made the tiniest marshmallows you ever did see. These are made with foam clay. And now I'm just going to put those on top. Now when you put these on top, you got to work fast because they start sinking into the resin. And you don't want them to sink all the way down. So make sure you get that UV light and hit it as soon as you can, okay? So now I got these little gingerbreads. And I had got these from Target during the holiday season last year, and they look like cookies, so I'm just gonna put them on this plate to have like hot cocoa with gingerbread cookies. And that's gonna be our second cute little ornament. But I did make one with this one right here, whipped cream, and then I also made one with eggnog. You can make all different types. I hope you like these, and I hope you make some and share them with me if you do. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.